Hello everyone, I am Balaji Rao. Welcome to BR Maths class. This is third class on circle concept from Conic section chapter, class 11, chapter number 10. Till now, we done 9 problems in this exercise number 10.1. Now, in this, another 6 problems are remaining. You see here, these 6 problems are remaining. In this class, we are going to do these 6 problems. You observe this question number 10 and question number 11. They are similar. In these two questions, what they are asking, find equation of the circle. You can observe. In both the questions, they are asking, find the equation of a circle. Which circle? The circle passing through 2 points, 4, 1, 6, 5, and whose center lies on this line equation. This question also similar. Circle passes through 2 points whose center lies on this line equation. First, we'll do this question number 10, 11. These are little lengthy. It takes time, but I'll do easiest way. Even though it is little lengthy, you can understand it very easily. Let's start the solution of question number 10. In this question, they are asking us to find equation of a circle. To understand this question, I drawn a diagram here. See, you need to find a circle equation. See, you suppose this is the circle equation you want to find. To find this circle equation, what information they given? This circle is passing through 2 points. Here you see, this is a rough diagram. Measurements are not exactly same. This is just rough diagram to understand the question. This circle is passing through 2 points. That means these 2 points lies on this circle. Okay. And they mention that whose center, that means which circle equation you want to find, that circle center lies on this line. See, this is the center of the circle. Center of this circle lies on line. That line equation also they given 4x plus y equal to 16. So this is the data given. You need to find this circle equation. In last class, we learned that general form of a circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. I want to find circle equation. I taken this is the required circle equation. In this, what are the unknown things? You see here, g value, f value, c value. These are the unknown things. So what I'll do, by using this given data, I'll find g value, f value, c value. And at the end, I'll substitute those 3 values in this equation so that I'll get the required equation of a circle. As the given circle 1 passes through these 2 points, what I'll do, I'll substitute these points in this equation. First, I'll substitute this 4, 1 in this circle equation. In this equation, in place of x, you write 4. In place of y, you write 1. To avoid unnecessary confusion, I want to write this step directly. Please observe carefully. I'll start from here, right? In place of x, I'll write 4. In place of x, if I write 4, what happens? 2 into 4, 8. This is 8g plus. Here, in place of y, I'll write 1, right? Then this term will become 2f plus. Here, c is there, that I'll write. So I started substituting this point in this equation. I just written these things first. Now x square plus y square, that is 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. Plus 17 equal to 0. When I substitute 4, 1 in this circle equation, I got equation in terms of g, f, c. I hope you understand. Similarly, as the circle passes through this point, I'll substitute this 6, 5 in this equation. I'll get another equation in terms of GFC. Substitute 6, 5 in this equation. Again, you start from here. In place of x, you write 6. So what this will become? 12g. In place of y, you write 5. So this will become 10f. Here c is there, no? Plus c plus now x square plus y square, that means 36 plus 25. 36 plus 25 is 61. Okay. equal to 0. You observe when I substitute these 2 points in this equation, I got two equations in terms of GFC. Actual idea is what? I want to find G value, F value, C value. Here I got two equations, but here three variables are there. In the question, one more data is there. What is the data? Center of the required circle lies on this line. As we learned in earlier classes, what is center of this circle? Center of this circle is minus G comma minus F, right? You see here, this minus G comma minus F lies on this equation. As minus G comma minus F lies on this equation, we can substitute this point in this equation. It will satisfy. As center minus G comma minus F lies on this line equation, substitute in place of X, you write minus G, right? So minus 4G. In place of Y, you write minus F. And this 16 is there, na? You take the 16 to left hand side part. So minus 16 equal to 0. What I am trying to say, I want to find G value, F value, C value. Three variables you need to find. Now we have three equations in terms of GFC. So by solving them, you can easily get the values of GFC. Now you take these equations like this. This is second equation, this is third equation, this is fourth equation. While solving these equations, you follow this pattern. What is the pattern? First, I'll solve these two equations. In these two, I'll cancel this C term. So what I'll get an equation in terms of G and F. Here, one more equation is there in terms of G and F. I'll solve those two. Then I'll get G value, F value. Those G value, F value, I'll substitute in any one of these two equations. Then I'll get C value. I hope you understand basic idea. Okay. So first what I'll do, I'll solve equation 2 and equation 3. I'll cancel C term. You solve equation 2 and equation 3. See, when I subtract, this CC will get cancelled, right? When we subtract, this plus sign changes to minus, plus sign changes to minus. Like this you will get 8G minus 12G, that is minus 4G. Okay. 2F minus 10F, that is minus 8F. Okay. Plus 17 minus 61 is minus 44 equal to 0. Now you take minus common, take that minus to the right hand side part. I can take 4 also common, but purposefully I am not taking 4 common. You name this as equation number 5. Now you see I got an equation in terms of G and F. You see I already have one more equation in terms of G and F. What I'll do, I'll solve this 4 and 5 to get the values of G and F. You observe these two equations. Here minus 4G plus 4G is there. So what I'll do, I'll add these two equations. When I add, these two will get cancelled. Now minus F plus 8F is plus 7F plus minus 16 plus 44 is plus 28. So I got like this. From this, what is 7F? 7F equal to minus 28. What is F from this? Minus 28 divided by 7, that is minus 4. Actually, you want to find G value, F value, C value. In that, F value you already got. Now, to find G value, you substitute this equation in any one of these two equations. See, this is equation number 4. In this equation, I'll substitute F value. What you will get? Minus 4G minus F is minus 4. Minus of minus is plus 4, right? Plus 4 minus 16 equal to 0. From this, what you will get? Minus 4G minus 12 equal to 0. 4G equal to minus 12. From this, you will get G as minus 3. You got second important value, F value. What you are trying to find? You are trying to find G value, F value, C value. You already got G value, F value. Now you need to find C value. For that, what I'll do, this G value, F value are there now. These two values I'll substitute in any one of these two equations to get C value. I'll substitute this G value, F value in this equation number 2. This is equation number 2. You substitute G value, F value in this. So what you will get, 8 into G value is minus 3 plus 2 into F value is minus 4 plus C plus 17 equal to 0. Okay. 8 3s are minus 24 minus 4 2s are 8 plus C plus 17 equal to 0. If I simplify this, minus 24 minus 8 is minus 32 plus 17. Minus 32 plus 17 is what is minus 15, right? So what you will get here, you will get C minus 15 equal to 0. From this, what is C? C is 15. So you want to find G value, F value, C value. You got all these three values. F value is minus 4, G value is minus 3, C value is 15. Substitute these values in the required circle equation. What is the required circle? You take an x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal 0 is the required circle. In this, you substitute G value, F value, C value. In this circle equation, you write G value x square plus y square plus 2 into G. What is G? G is minus 3. 2F. F is what? F is minus 4. Y plus C. C is 15 equal to 0. Now, you simplify this, you will get required circle equation x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 15 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circle. This circle 100% passes through given 2 points. If you have any doubts whether we got correct answer or not, when you substitute these 2 points in this circle equation, it must and should satisfy, right? Otherwise, we got the wrong answer only, right? So this is the way to find solution of this equation. I'll quickly explain what is the basic method we followed. You want to find a circle equation. I taken that circle equation as like this. From the given data, I got three equations in terms of GFC. Solve those three equations. You will get GFC values. Substitute those GFC values in this equation. You will get required equation of a circle. Question number 11 is similar to question number 10. As question number 11 is similar to question number 10, I want you to try this problem your own. See here, I already done the solution. I want you to pause this video or else take the question only and try your own. First, I take a required circle equation like this. As this circle passes through these 2 points, I substituted in that. I got two equations. As center lies on this, I got the third equation also, right? I solved these three equations. While solving, best method is first you solve these two and cancel the C term. Then you will get an equation in terms of G and F. And if I solve these two equations, I'll get G value, F value. You see here, F value, G value. Now this G value, F value, you substitute any one of these two equations, you will get C value. You see here, C value. Once you got G value, F value, C value, substitute these values in this equation and simplify, you will get required equation of a circle. If you want this handwritten notes, you please go through our Android app. In that app, this course is available for very nominal price. There you can find this handwritten notes. Now, question number 12. You observe this question number 12. Find the equation of a circle. You want to find equation of a circle whose radius is 5 units. Center of that circle lies on x-axis and that circle passes through 2, 3. To understand this question more clearly, I'll draw the diagram so that you can understand it very easily. This is just a rough diagram to understand what the given data. This circle radius is 5. So here this length is there. This length is 5 units. and center lies on x-axis. See what diagram I drawn, it's just a rough diagram to understand the question. This is not exactly a not same diagram. Just to understand the question, I am trying to explain the question with the help of a diagram. Center lies on x-axis and the circle passes through the point 2 comma 3. Okay, you know this equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What do you know about this? This is equation of a circle whose center is h comma k and radius is r. We use this formula to find equation of a circle, right? To use this formula, what things you need? You need h value, you need k value. What is h comma k? H comma k is the center of the circle. What is r? R is radius of the circle. You observe one point here, as center lies on x-axis. I suppose this is h comma k. Center of the required circle is h comma k. As it is on x-axis, its y coordinate must be 0. That means this k value will become 0, right? So center of this circle, I can take it as h comma 0 because center lies on x-axis. On x-axis, y coordinate is 0. Generally, we will take h comma k is the center of the circle. As center lies on x-axis, we can take h comma k, h comma 0 is the center of the required circle. Now, as they given radius, this circle passes through 2 comma 3 they given. Na? I know that distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. As this is radius, here this radius is 5 units. So, I'll take distance between these 2 points as 5 and from that I can easily calculate h value. Once I got h value, I know what is center. I know what is radius. Then I can easily calculate equation of the circle. I hope you are understanding idea in what way we are going to do this problem. First, you take h comma 0 is the center of the required circle. You want to find circle equation. Na? For that circle, you take h comma 0 is the center. Why h comma 0? Because center lies on x-axis. When center lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Okay. And I'll name this center as C. And they given that circle passes through the point 2 comma 3. That point I taken as P. Clearly, what is this CP? CP is radius. In the question they given that required circle radius is 5 units. That means CP is what? CP is 5. Now square this on both sides. What you will get? CP square equal to 25. CP means a distance formula, root over. Here square is there, no CP square. This 2 will get cancelled, right? Here you use the distance formula CP, right? What you will get? You will get like this: h minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square equal to 25. Actually, this is CP. CP square is there, no? That's why I not written this root. If we simplify this, what you will get? H minus 2 whole square equal to 25. Here this is plus 9. Take it to this side. It will become minus 9. 25 minus 9. H minus 2 whole square equal to 16. From this, what is h minus 2? H minus 2, it can be plus or minus 4. First, I'll take plus 4. H minus 2 equal to 4. From this, what is h? H equal to 6. Actually, you want to find h, you got h value. As we got h minus 2 as plus or minus 4, I'll take h minus 2 as minus 4 also. Then h is what? Minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. So, here you got two h values. That means two circles are possible which passes through the point 2 comma 3 whose center lies on x-axis and whose radius is 5 units. Now I divide this problem into two cases. Case 1, center. What is actually center? Center is h comma 0. Here you got h as 6, the center is 6 comma 0. As you got h is 6, center is 6 comma 0. Radius obviously they given in the question. Radius is 5. When the center is 6 comma 0, radius is 5. When we know center and radius, we can find the circle equation. Equation of a circle is, what is the formula? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is h comma k, this is r. Substitute these values in this equation and simplify. X minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. You simplify this, what you will get? X square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25 equal to 0. If I simplify this, x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 equal to 0. This is circle equation whose center lies on x-axis and this passes through the point 2, 3. As we got h values, 2 values, we'll get one more case. As we got h value -2, another center is -2, 0, radius is 5. Now substitute these values in this equation. X minus h, minus of minus, plus 2, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to r square. Expand this and simplify. What you will get? X square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square equal to 5 square is 25. Simplify this. X square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. So this is another circle equation whose center lies on x-axis, whose radius is 5 and the circle passes through the point 2, 3. I hope you understand this solution. You observe this question number 13, what they are asking. Find the equation of a circle passing through 0, 0, making intercepts A and B on coordinate axis. To explain this question, I'll draw the diagram. In the question, they mention that circle is passes through 0, 0. You see here, this circle is passing through 0, 0. Here, making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. What is x-intercept made by a circle? See, what is the definition of x-intercept? Suppose a circle is like this. This length is there. No? This length is the x-intercept made by a circle. This is called x-intercept. For this diagram, what is y-intercept means? There is no y-intercept. Suppose the circle is like this. Then this length is there. No? That length is called y-intercept. Suppose the circle is like this. That means this circle touching the x-axis. In this case, we say that x-intercept is 0. Right? If the diagram is like this, in this case, circle touching the y-axis, what is y-intercept of this circle? Y-intercept of this circle is 0. Right? In this question, what they are saying, this circle making intercept A, B on coordinate axis. That means you observe this is the length. This is the length intercept made by the circle on x-axis. This is x-intercept. This intercept is A and this intercept is B, right? I hope you are understanding. As the circle passes through origin, obviously, as we know, this length is A, as this point will be A comma 0. I name this point as A and this point A is A comma 0. Why it is A comma 0? Because this length is A. And y-intercept they be given, this intercept is B. Na? So what is this point? This point is 0 comma B. I name this as B and this point is 0 comma B. Here you need to observe few things. See here, this is right angle, right? So you observe this is right angle means obviously we know that angle in a semicircle is right angle. I hope you are understanding. As this is right angle, this acts as a diameter. This is semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is right angle, right? So here the point what you need to understand, this acts as a diameter. That means center lies on this diameter. Actually what you want to find, you want to find equation of a circle. If you want to find equation of a circle, if you know center and radius, you can find circle equation very easily with the help of this formula, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. With this formula you can find circle equation. As we know these 2 points and this is the diameter, so center is the midpoint of ends of diameter, right? So I'll calculate midpoint of AB to get center of this circle. The center is midpoint of AB. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. That means 0 plus A. That is A plus 0 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That means 0 plus B divided by 2. Okay. So what is center? Center is A by 2 comma B by 2. Now I want to find circle equation. For that circle center I already know this is A by 2 comma B by 2, right? As you know this is the diameter, radius is half of the length of diameter, right? So what I'll calculate AB, right? Here I'll write here, you see radius. What is radius? I want center and radius. Radius is half of the diameter. AB is length of diameter, right? AB divided by 2 is the radius. So what you will get here, calculate distance between the points A and B. That is root over, see, A minus 0 whole square. That is A square. It can be understood easily. Plus 0 minus B whole square. 0 minus B whole square is what? B square. Half into root over A square plus B square. Center, radius, we know now. Now, for the given data, we know center and radius. Once you know center and radius, you can find equation of a circle. Equation of a circle formula, when we know center and radius, is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is h comma k. In place of h, you write a by 2. In place of k, you write b by 2. In place of r, you write this and simplify. Okay. So, x minus h. H is what? A by 2 whole square plus y minus k. K is what? B by 2 whole square equal to r. R is what? Half of root over a square plus b square. Now you simplify this. This is a minus b whole square. Na? You expand this. What you will get? X square plus a square divided by 4 minus 2ab, 2 into x into a by 2. Okay. Now you expand this. Again a minus b whole square formula. Y square plus b square divided by 4 minus 2ab, 2 into y into b by 2. And this side, when we square this, 1 by 2 will become 1 by 4. And when we square this root 2 will get cancelled. You will get a square plus b square. If you observe here, when you multiply this with 1 by 4, right hand side part is a square by 4 plus b square by 4. You see here, this a square by 4, this a square by 4 plus b square by 4, b square by 4 will get cancelled, right? And this 2 also will get cancelled. What are remaining? That I'll write. X square plus y square. Directly I am writing first x square term, next y square term, next x term. This 2 will get cancelled, minus ax. Next y term, 2 will get cancelled, minus by. You see here, these things will get cancelled. So if we take all to right hand side part, they will get cancelled and you will get 0. So required equation of a circle is x square plus y square minus ax minus by equal to 0. You observe this, you need to find a circle equation. For that, center already given, center is 2 comma 2 and circle passes through 4 comma 5. Here center of the circle is given and the circle passes through 4 comma 5. You need to find equation of a circle. See, when you know center and radius, you can find the circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. What is this? This is equation of a circle whose center is h comma k, radius is r. When we know center and radius, we can use this formula to find equation of a circle. Here center already given, but radius we don't know. But the point is, we can easily calculate radius from the given data. We know that distance from center to any point on the circle is radius. Here the circle passes through 4 comma 5 they given. Distance between these 2 points, if you calculate, you will get radius. Use distance formula, radius 4 minus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 square is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. So radius is root 13. So radius we got root 13. Center we already know. When you know center and radius, we can find equation of circle very easily. When you know center and radius, to find equation of a circle, we use this formula. Now in place of h comma k, you write 2 comma 2. In place of r, you write root 13. X minus h is 2. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus k is also 2. Y minus 2 whole square equal to r. R is root 13. Root 13 whole square. Expand this, what you will get? X square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to root 13 whole square is 13. Now you simplify. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y. You see here, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 minus 13 minus 5 equal to 0. This is a required equation of a circle. I hope you are understanding. Now we came to the last question of this exercise. Here, how to decide a point lies inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle. See, this is the circle. This is center of that circle. You take one point anywhere. Suppose if I take point P here, I'll this point P lies inside or outside, we need to decide, right? I'll calculate CP. CP means distance between center and given point. If CP is greater than radius, we can easily say that the point lies outside the circle. Suppose point P lies inside, I'll calculate CP. If CP is less than R, right? If point P lies inside, obviously CP is less than R. If CP is less than R, then we say point lies inside the circle. If CP equal to R, that means CP equal to R, that means point lies on the circle. You need to know these 3 points. To decide the given point lies inside or outside or on the circle, we will calculate CP and R. If CP is greater than R, the point lies outside the circle. If CP is less than R, point lies inside the circle. If CP equal to R, the point lies on the circle. Okay. They given one point. They are asking, does this point lies inside, outside or on the circle? First thing, given circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. What is center of this circle? This circle can be written into this form. I'll write this circle into this form so that we can easily decide what is its center. This x square can be written as x minus 0 whole square. Y square can be written as y minus 0 whole square. This 25 can be written as 5 square. Now this is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So what is center of this circle? Center of this circle is 0, 0. Center, I'll take it as C. Center of given circle equation is 0, 0. Now they given one point. I'll name it as P. To decide this point lies inside the circle or outside the circle or on the circle, I'll calculate CP, distance between these 2 points. And one more thing, what is the radius of this circle? Radius of this circle is 5. Calculate CP. Distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. When we square this, what you will get? 0 plus 2.5 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 0 minus 3.5 whole square. 2.5 whole square is 6.25 plus, see, when we square this, this is 3.5 whole square. That is 12.25. When you add these two, what you will get? You will get 18.50. See, here radius is what? Radius is 5. CP you got like this. Now, CP is less than or greater than R, you need to decide. You know root 25 value is 5, right? Root 25 value is 5. What is root 24 value? Obviously less than 5. What is root 20 value? Less than 5. What is root 26 value? Root 26 value is greater than 5, right? So as root 25 is 5, we can easily say that this value is less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than 5. This value is less than 5. That means CP is less than radius. When CP is less than radius, what we say? Therefore, the point minus 2.5 comma 3.5 lies inside the circle. I hope you understand this class. If you like this video, please drop a like. Share this video with your friends. In case if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.